$4. I've got $4. Let's go get some more. $4 is not enough. I've got to go to an ATM. Come on with me. So here's your basic ATM machine. Let's take a look. First of all, here's the screen where you're going to look for directions. You're going to put your credit card here. You'll punch in your PIN number there. Your cash is going to come out here. Here's where you get your receipt. So let's get going. Let's talk about safety for a minute. Chances are you're going to be just fine, but there are some things you can do to make sure you're safe. First of all, choose an ATM where it's well lit. Have your card in your hand before you get to the machine so you don't have to fumble around for it. Be aware of your surroundings. If anything seems suspicious, feel free to go to a different ATM. If the credit card slot seems sticky or you have to force it in or it looks like it's been tampered with, go to another ATM. When you punch in your PIN, don't let anybody see it. You can cover it with your other hand if you want. Take your receipt with you too. And don't count your money while you're at the ATM. You can count it later. Just put it in your pocket and go. I'll put a link down below with some more safety tips. But if you're careful, you'll be just fine. So when you first get to the machine, it'll have some kind of ad, but what you're going to do is basically push in your card and enter your PIN number. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you some questions. Answer them. And be aware that there's almost surely going to be a fee, and you're going to have to answer yes to that if you want to use the money. It'll come out of your bank account. Then you wait for it to process. It'll tell you to take your card and your cash and your receipt. Here it comes. Yay! Yay! And there you go. And that's all there is to it. You can do this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know down below, or if you have suggestions for another video you'd like to see. Please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time.